We're bidding on a BrightWELL technology microflow imaging flow microscope. This came out of a large pharmaceutical company, lab consolidation. It appears unused. There is not a mark on it. We do not have the software. We do not have the controller. According to the manufacturer, this item, particle size, shape, count, and image, and it's 0.75 to 300 units of measure or whatever you call that. But it is in pristine physical shape. There's nothing I can do to plug it in because when I plug it in, nothing happens. There is no software. You want to turn this thing around so they can see the other side of it, please? Okay. With packaging, this thing has about, what did I say, 50 pounds?
Yeah.
It's about 50 pounds. With packaging, add about another 10 because we're going to have to pack the heck out of it unless you want to pick it up at our Northwest Detroit location warehouse. You want to put this in the forefront and anything on the bottom?
On the bottom of this?
Yeah.
Feet. Adjustable feet.
Adjustable leveling feet, okay. Then we have this. You can see it. The cord was still, you can see it's never been used, but we don't know anything further than that. Seal's not been broken. I don't know what this thing is, but I know that this plugs into that, and like you can see, there's no use marks on it. And this, we put power to it, but like I say, nothing happens. It doesn't do anything. So this isn't very heavy. This is what it is. BrightWELL technology, microflow image, flow microscope. Particle size, shape, count, and image, but you need the software and a computer to go along with it. Good luck bidding.